Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the prerequisites. Turn on device location and Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi significantly refines GPS. Open Google Maps and make sure you're signed into the right Google account. This ensures saved places sync. Next, check app permissions in settings and set location permission to while using the app. Once done, tap the blue dot to see current detected position. This starts the correction process and reveals whether the device needs calibration. Now focus on improving accuracy. Tap the blue dot and follow prompts to calibrate the compass because calibration reduces directional drift. If the option appears, perform the figure 8 motion with your phone until the accuracy ring tightens. To correct a misplaced pin, press and hold the correct location on the map to drop a new pin. You can then select label or save so Maps remembers it. Make sure to zoom in and compare satellite view to landmarks for precise placement. Finish by saving the adjusted location. Tap the dropped pin and choose Save. Pick Home, Work, or a custom label so Google keeps the fix. If a business or place is wrong, select Suggest an Edit and submit corrected address or marker. Google reviews edits. If you still see errors, restart your phone, toggle location and Wi-Fi off and on, or reinstall Maps. These steps clear cached data and often resolve persistent misplacement quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.